Looking for a physical WorldRemit location in Canada? Let's clear up a common misconception right away. Unlike traditional money transfer services with brick-and-mortar stores, WorldRemit operates primarily online. That means you won't find physical WorldRemit branches or agents in Canada, or anywhere else for that matter. Instead, WorldRemit focuses on providing fast, secure, and convenient digital money transfers directly from your computer or mobile device. This allows you to send money to loved ones around the world without ever leaving your home. To initiate a transfer from Canada, simply head to the WorldRemit website. That's www.worldremit.com in your web browser. You can follow along with me, if you like. Alternatively, you can download the WorldRemit app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. The app is free to download and easy to use. From either the website or the app, you can quickly select the country you want to send money to. You'll be presented with a clear breakdown of fees, exchange rates, and delivery options. This online model offers unparalleled convenience. You can send money anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection, saving you time and travel costs. So, while there aren't physical locations in Canada, WorldRemit's online platform makes sending money internationally incredibly simple. Ditch the search for a store and embrace the ease of online remittance.